Hi friends, this is Selvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. And today the topic I am going to discuss about what is the difference between Junos candidate versus active configuration. So what is active configuration? Normally in Cisco we'll call it as a running configuration. So the current configuration what is running in the device or the current running configuration we call it as an active configuration. For example, how we can view in Juno is just do a show configuration. Okay, so you have to run show configuration display set. Okay, so this is the current active configuration running configuration in a Junos device. This we called as an active configuration. So what is a candidate configuration? So I will show you what is a candidate configuration. Whenever you're typing configure command, it will create the copy of this current active configuration. I told this is the current active configuration. So upon typing configure, it will create a copy of the active configuration, and you are going to make this configuration changes to the copy of the active configuration, not to the exact active configuration. But after typing configure, it will create the copy of the active configuration. Then we are going to make the changes. For example, I'm just making the changes. Set interfaces em0 unit 0 family inet address. I'm making as like 3.3.3/24. So let us do a show compare. Okay, so this will show the differences between the current and the candidate and the active configuration. So this is the active configuration, right? 11.11.11, and we are making the changes is 3.3.3. So these are the changes we are going to make. So this configuration change what we call it as a candidate configuration, because it is creating a, whenever you are typing configure, it is creating a copy of the active configuration, and to that copy we are making the changes. So this is what we call it as a candidate configuration. So upon commit, what you will do, it will override this active configuration with this candidate configuration. Right now this will be also become the active configuration. So show compare is nothing but it is a difference between the active configuration and the what is the configuration change we are making, that is a candidate configuration. So that shows the difference. So upon committing, it will override the current active configuration with the new configuration changes, right? So now let us see display set. So now it is overwritten with the new configuration changes, that is a candidate configuration. So now this will become the current active configuration. So right, that is the difference between the candidate versus active configuration. So the active configuration is a current running configuration. So the candidate configuration is a just a copy of the active configuration. Upon commit, so this active configuration will be overwritten with the configuration changes. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Thank you.